So, I'm making a manga. For those of you that don't know, because you've only subscribed to this channel for ukulele and or gaming, I also draw and do a lot of design and stuff like that. I joined this Manga May art challenge on my art account, which is JoJo Art Fart. You can go subscribe to my YouTube or go check out my Instagram. It's down in the description, and I'll also put a little button up here where you can click and go check out my YouTube channel. But that's where I do all my art stuff, so if you're into art stuff, you can go check out that channel. A little self-plug there. But yeah, that's where I'm going to be doing the manga stuff. Like I said in the beginning, I'm going to make my own manga, and I'm so freaking excited. I've been wanting to make a manga and work on my own story and do all this stuff for so long. I just never felt like I was good enough, and I always felt like I needed to improve my art. But then with doing YouTube and all this stuff, I'm like, when do I have time to improve my art? I feel like I gotta sit down for hours and hours and study anatomy and do all this crazy stuff. But I found out that making the story is the most important, and the art, as long as it's somewhat decent, they know what you're getting across and what it's supposed to be seen, then it'll be good, because people aren't super picky about art styles. Do people love art styles when it looks awesome? Yes, but that's something I'm gonna learn as I go. So as I draw new panels and new characters and do all stuff like that, I'll be learning and growing, so you guys will see the story and my drawing grow as you read my manga. I'll give more information about my manga at the end of this video, so don't you guys worry. But I wanted to start out with what gave me the confidence to do this. So if you guys follow my JoJo Art Fart account, and even the shorts on here, you've been seeing me do little voiceovers of my manga pages. That is for the Manga May art challenge that Monitor Comics made. He is a manga slash comic creator, YouTuber guy. I don't really know how to explain it, but he made this challenge where you have to make a manga page based off of every topic of every day. And I've been trying to make them all like collide and work out as like one connected manga story, kind of as like my first like one shot, but having to work around the topics and stuff that he's given. And I'm putting the pages up on the screen as I talk about it, but I feel like my art has improved so much and my confidence has grown to make a manga just from doing this challenge for, I don't even know what day it is, like 25 days. Like I've been making a manga page every day, and I feel like I have time to make more, which has given me the confidence, like I think I can actually start my manga. So what I have in my mind and written down is like so many short stories where I can make manga one-shots, which a one-shot is basically like a pilot episode of a TV show or like the first chapter of a manga that kind of explains everything that may or may not happen. But I have a few ideas like that, but my main idea is actually in like novel form right now, because I want to get it written down as like a whole story, and then it'll be easier for me to make scripts out of it and actually turn it into a manga. But yeah, if you guys want to go check out that stuff, like I said, JoJo Art Fart, that's where all my art stuff is going to be. I'll obviously be promoting it here and talking about it here every now and then, but if you want to keep up with it hardcore and you enjoy all the art and manga stuff, go check out that channel. But yeah, the story that I'm going to be working on is going to be freaking crazy. It's going to be almost like Harry Potter, but then also meeting like dark versus light, like sort of, I don't even know, ghosts and monsters, and I don't know, it's gonna be really cool. But it's really cool. It's about this kid, doesn't know who his family is, he wants to find out who his family is, somehow gets magical powers, goes to this whole new world, and literally it's not like Harry Potter where there's already a school. There's only a temple and they only know the basics, so he's gonna have to invent spells and learn spells from random people, and hopefully in the end be a really strong wizard so he can figure out who his family is and stop all the people that are trying to get him and all the stuff that he has for some reason. Ooh. But yeah, if you guys are excited about that, as excited as I am, making a manga is going to be a giant venture and leap and take a lot of time, but it's going to be so awesome to actually see my story and see you guys read my story and stuff. So yeah, I'm making a manga. That's so crazy. It's so crazy. Thank you guys for watching. Go support my manga. Go support my art channel. And if you want to support me and help me out and do all this stuff, I have a Patreon. You can go get the link is down here to go check out the Patreon, and you'll be getting behind the scenes footage. You can request new video ideas, and I'll make videos based off of those. You get shout out at the end of every video and stuff like that. And also time-lapse drawings of all the drawings I do, time-lapse of manga pages I do, behind the scenes, little sneak peeks of manga and story stuff. So yeah, I'm so excited. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.